Ranoy. Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Post ordinance creating one position under the executive department of the local government unit of the city of Alaminos.
Councilor Dali De Leon, shall we, since there will be a proposal from the legislative department, shall we calendar it for second reading na lang in their next regular session? 2 weeks po. 2 weeks na lang. 2 weeks. Councilor De Leon. Councilor Cirilo Rodoc, Majority Floor Leader. Councilor Dali De Leon.
I move that the matter be scheduled, calendar for another second reading 2 weeks from now.
2 weeks. Okay. It's been moved by Councilor Cirilo Rodoc, seconded by Councilor Dali De Leon and Councilor Segundera to calendar the said measure, the said ordinance for second reading in our session 2 weeks from now. Any objection? Hearing none, the said item is scheduled for second reading 2 weeks from now. Next item.
Resolution declaring Barangay Ordinance Number 2021-03 of Barangay Balayang, entitled An Ordinance Prohibiting the Irresponsible or Unmindful Throwing or Dumping of Bamboo Cuttings in the Barangay Creek, enacted within the conferred powers of the Sangguniang Barangay.
Mr. Chair, if there are no matters or questions on the said barangay ordinance, I respectfully move for the approval of the said matter.
It's been moved by Councilor Felix De Castro, seconded by Councilor Rodoc and Councilor Oscar Bowling, Councilor Venerable, Councilor Bernabe, Councilor Ranoy, Councilor Raul Bacay, for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Third and final reading of the ordinance establishing the Sisterhood Twinning Committee and providing guidelines for sisterhood partnership for the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan and other local government units.
Councilor Cirilo Rodoc. Okay na to?
I have not yet read the final version, Mr. Chair. I move for it still. Okay na? O sige. If there are no more comments, I move for the enactment of the proposed ordinance.
It has been moved by Councilor Cirilo Rodoc. Any second?
Second.
Seconded by Councilor
Second.
Alfred Felix De Castro, Councilor Fontelera, Councilor Segura, Councilor Season, Councilor Ranoy, for Councilor Raul Bacay, for the Councilor Apple Bacay for the enactment of the said twinning ordinance. Any objection? Amendment, discussion, hearing none. The said ordinance is hereby enacted. Next item.
Third and final reading of the ordinance reclassifying a portion of land owned by Cheryl Bautista Latorre, containing an area of 1,000 square meters situated at Barangay San Vicente, the city, from agricultural use to commercial use, primarily for the establishment of a gasoline station.
Mr. Chair, after going over all the documents submitted, the proponents complied. I move that the said ordinance be enacted by the August body.
Okay, it has been moved by, naka-third reading na ba ito?
Kulang pa requirement yata eh. Wala na bang kulang na requirement yan?
Ikaw na yan.
Baka may kulang pa. Tignan mo abot eh.
So, it has been moved, by, third and final reading, it has been moved by Councilor Alfred Felix De Castro. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Segundera, Councilor Oscar Bowling, Councilor Raul Bacay, Councilor Ranoy, for the enactment of the Councilor De Leon for the enactment of the said ordinance. Any objection? Any amendments, discussion? Madam Secretary, complete the requirements now. Hearing none, the said ordinance is hereby enacted. Baka may ibang requirements pa, Councilor Doc. Any other
Sir, meron pa tayong dalawa.
Order of business? Yes,
we have the two resolutions from Councilor Apollonia Bacay, sir.
Go ahead. Sabay na. So, so we have two resolutions giving commendation for the Councilor Apple Bacay moves for the adoption of the said resolutions, seconded by Councilor Cirilo Rodoc, Any other second? Seconded by Councilor Bernarabago, Councilor Segundera, Councilor Bernabe, Councilor Bolling. Any amendments? Hearing none, the said 2 resolutions of commendation are hereby adopted. Next item.
Announcements if there are po.
Any announcements po? Bago po tayo magkwentuhan off the record. Any announcements? Mag-a-announce lang ako na mag-ingat po tayo, especially for the holidays. Today po ata, if I'm not mistaken, 18 po yung ating declared na bagong cases. So mag-ingat-ingat po tayo sa mga galing NCR Plus or other regions. Magbantay rin po tayo sa iba't ibang mga barangay po natin at pag may kailangan, i-report lang po natin sa COVID team or sa ating mga punong barangay. So wag po tayong magkampante kasi mahirap pong
yung 18 one day.
Councilor Ranoy, any announcement?
Mr. Presiding Officer.
Meron ka Meron ka? Ayan na, ayaw ko na post na ba? Ayoko namang unahan, antayin po natin yung post ng LGU, but there are a number of new cases that will be announced by today. Any other announcements po?
Ni Marisa na
wala na? Okay. Madam Secretary, wala na?
Guys,
yes.
meron pa
Councilor De Leon. Ay! Kamusta yung nyo? Go ahead. Announcement po.
Gusto namin magpasalamat ni Councilor Doc doon sa daming views nanood doon sa kanta namin.
Sinta? Ayos
Councilor Doc, naka 2,000 views tayo o ayaw mo yun?
Gano'n ba? Hindi ko alam yun.
Tsamba kami.
Talaga ha?
Ay kung di pa ka pinilit, ayaw mo pa.
Sabi kasi ni Councilor Raul Bakay, dyan daw kami madidiscover ni Councilor Doc.
Ano bang place ni Councilor Probel doon sa singing contest?
Nanalo rin si Councilor Probel, third prize.
Ay, wow.
Pasalamat yung mga kandidata ng Miss Rhode Island dahil hindi tumuloy yung kandidata namin ni Di Castro.
Galit na eh.
Pero I would like to congratulate Councilor Carol for helping and Cap Raul Bakay for making the event possible and a success. Nagulat ako na si Councilor Ranoy pala at saka si Councilor De Castro, meron rin pala silang kanta doon. Kumanta rin pala siya. Nakapikit pa si Councilor Ranoy.
Hindi, yung sa akin, yung pan ko lang yun, yung twin brother.
Naka-vest ka pa, Councilor De Castro.
Sana inawardan pa nila ng bag.
So, yun okay. Mag-ingat-ingat po tayo over the weekend and see you guys next week. Tawagan lang po pag may kailangan. So, Ma'am Luz, wala na. With that, Councilor Michelle, shall we adjourn? Para kumanta rin ba si Councilor Michelle?
Nice.
Nakita ko yung dala niyang dog yung bulldog.
Mr.
Shall we adjourn, Councilor Michelle?
Yeah, Mr. Chair, if there are no more other matters to discuss, I move for the adjournment of our session.
Okay, it has been moved by Councilor Segundera, seconded by Councilor Rabago, Councilor Doc, and Councilor De Castro for the adjournment of today's regular session. And I'll call this Sangguniang Panglungsod regular session adjourned. Okay. May patay po yung record tsaka ang live.
Happy weekend!
Sa ating mga watchers.